Hey everyone, welcome back to Epic World Projects channel. Today we're back at Camp Nou with some fresh updates, and even in a short time, we're already seeing new lamellas going up, structural details taking shape, and steady progress across different areas of the stadium. Step by step, the transformation is becoming more visible, and there are a few key changes you definitely don't want to miss. So let's jump straight in and take a look at what's new. We begin in the Gol Sur corner with a clear update. Since yesterday, the first lamellas have been installed. Previously, none were here, and now around 12 are in place. They are small pieces, but installation speed is impressive. Once work fully resumes, progress here could accelerate quickly. Before matches, construction stops, but once work resumes, progress becomes more visible. Another detail is a new structure in this area. A platform-like structure has been installed below, similar to those near the sandwich panels. It's unclear if it will be a walkway, but part of the access system. Moving to the lateral side, activity is very limited. There is almost no movement today, similar to match days. This shows how strict UEFA restrictions are. No major changes since yesterday, with pillars and materials still in place. Some red pipes are visible, possibly linked to the fire system, though not confirmed. In Gol Norte, activity is focused on preparation. Lifting platforms are parked and unused. Meanwhile, painting work continues on structural elements. Crews are applying anti-corrosion paint before installing lamella supports, ensuring durability. There is still a lot of painting left, especially in lower sections. Near Lamellas, work has continued in recent days. Excavation and wall painting are ongoing. Some sections are painted white, while others remain unfinished. This area will continue developing in the coming weeks. At the north goal corner, work is progressing on the supports for the llamas. Elevating platforms are being used to position the metal structures, and bolts are being prepared and coated with anti-rust paint. This area is gradually taking shape as the main supports are ready for the llamas to be installed. Some rows of prefabricated stands have already been placed in this section. A few more rows are yet to be installed, but the structure is clearly advancing. Workers are moving carefully to ensure each section aligns properly and the installation continues smoothly. In the central north goal area, glass panels are being installed along with their trim and insulation materials. Prefabricated stands are also being positioned in several areas. The combination of these installations shows that the stadium structure is steadily taking shape. Workers are making adjustments and checks on the stairs to ensure they are secure and correctly aligned. The supports for the llamas in this section are fully ready, and installation will continue vertically as planned. In the tribune, upper sandwich panels have been installed, and beams across the 3 levels are fully in place. Bolts and brackets are being treated with white anti-rust paint. Vinyl signage is being applied to doors and pillars, showing clear progress in this part of the stadium. In the diamond area, glass panels and frames installed last week remain in place, and any remaining frames are stacked for use in other sections. This section is almost completed, contributing to the overall visible progress across the stadium. Construction is moving fast across the stadium, with stands, supports, and glass panels all taking shape. If you're enjoying this update, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for all the latest progress.